My name is Giovanna Farrow, and today we will be discussing the Provider CC component. Provider CC is a custom solution developed to address the pain points of the provider letter. Many providers have expressed that the provider letter is extremely clunky and far too removed from the normal workflow. We saw this as an opportunity to create a tool that lived within the workflow and also leveraged the secure email functionality. Provider CC exists as both a workflow component and a summary component, serving two different workflows. The workflow component is used to send a copy of the document currently being created, and the summary component sends a document that has already been created. While the two components accomplish slightly different goals, the workflow is the same. When viewing Provider CC in either mode, you will see a search box, a related box, and the content box. In your search box, you will be able to locate the provider you would like to search for. When a user is entered, you will see two additional boxes populate, your internal search and an external search. Your internal search will load all the users defined in your Cerner database. The external search will load the MPI database. From either of these boxes, you have the ability to add a user as a recipient. Once you locate the user that you're looking to send your communication to, there's some information within the contact box. If you select the caret next to the user's name, it will provide all information that's currently on file for the user. If information is not currently defined, it can be free text in any field that states not on file. If information is free texted here, it will be used for sending purposes only. If you select the star next to the user's name, it will add them as a favorite contact. Once they've been added as a favorite contact, you will see them in your contact box. To the right of your contact's name, you will see a drop-down. This determines how the document will be sent to the selected user. There are 4 different options that will populate depending on what information is available for that user. The preferred option will use whatever method is defined for the user in your RRD tool. This will be either secure email or fax. The options denoted as secure or fax are used for ad hoc sending when users do not have their communication method defined in the system. The last option you will see is mail. This is configured to send the document to a predefined message center inbox in which the user can print the documentation and send it via mail. Above the contact box, you'll see the related box. The related box automatically pulls in contacts based upon an established relationship with the patient. Which relationship types are pulled in can be defined per site. Once you have found the user you would like to copy and selected which method you would like to use for sending, you simply click the user's name, and you will notice that this adds them to your recipient's box. The user's name will populate as well as the communication method that has been chosen. You can add as many users as you would like to this box. As additional users are added, you will see that they populate with the sending communication. Once all your users have been added to your recipient box, nothing additional is needed. The provider will simply continue with their workflow and click Create Note. Once the document has been signed, each document will automatically be sent to all recipients chosen. The summary component looks and functions very similarly with the addition of some additional boxes. You'll see there's a Documents box, a CCD option, and a Save to Chart option. Just like the workflow component, you will search for your user, choose the method of sending, and click the person's name to add them to the recipient box. Now you need to select which documents you would like to send. This is done through the Documents box. In the Documents box, you will see 2 icons, a filter icon and a document icon. The filter icon can be used to limit how many documents appear in your search. Filters include time frame, document type, and result count. Once you save these settings, these will carry forward until they are changed. The document icon displays all documents currently on the encounter that meet your filters. The filters are displayed at the top to show you which documents are being displayed, and each title heading can be sorted to easily locate which document you would like to send. Hovering on the title of the document will display the document icon again. If you click this icon, you're able to preview the document before you actually send it to confirm that this is the correct document. Once identified, simply select the checkbox next to the note to add it as a document to be sent. Again, multiple documents can be added and sent at once. The next option is the CCD referral. If a CCD or referral note is requested, simply select the checkbox next to the corresponding CCD and nothing additional is needed. This option is only available when sending via mail or email. And our final option is the ability to save this communication to the chart. If this option is selected, a document will be written to the record that records what document was sent, to whom, and when. Once all appropriate options are selected, click your Submit button. You will notice that the button changes to a dithered and sending. Once sending is complete, you will notice that the button becomes undithered and comes back to Submit. Once your sending is complete, the Provider CC component workflow is done. That concludes the demo of the Provider CC workflow and summary components. Thank you for your time.